Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what is possibly the best battery replacement kit watch repair tool set on the market right now. The JOREST Watch Repair Kit Plus Watch Press Tool. Whether you're a hobbyist, collector, or professional, this toolkit is a must-have for anyone dealing with watches. Let's dive into what makes it such a standout in its category. From the very first glance, the JOREST kit feels like a professional-grade solution designed for the modern watch enthusiast. This isn't just a haphazard collection of tools. It's a thoughtfully designed, all-in-one set that offers everything from battery replacement tools to bracelet resizing gear. And even includes a tool for opening and closing different types of back covers. Now what really elevates this kit is its 2024 upgraded design. Starting with the rotary watch opener, it's larger than before, more stable, and has an ergonomic grip that makes it comfortable and precise to use. Whether you're working on a screw-back or snap-back case, the process becomes almost effortless. Then there's the newly enhanced watch press tool. This thing is a game-changer. It's been improved for both accuracy and ease of use. No more worrying about misalignment or breaking crystals while closing a case. This tool gives you smooth, even pressure with minimal effort. It's so simple and safe, even someone new to watch repair can operate it with confidence. One of the biggest surprises is the 2024 metal watch link remover. It combines the pin remover and strap holder into one compact piece. That not only saves you space, but it also offers better stability when you're pushing out stubborn watch pins. The new threaded rod design ensures everything stays aligned and steady as you work. Another thing to appreciate is how portable and organized this kit is. It all comes in a compact zipper pouch with a built-in transparent strap to store additional small parts like spare batteries or extra spring bars. There's even a lanyard attached to the pouch for easy carrying. It's ideal whether you're at your workbench, in your shop, or taking it on the go. The kit includes all the key tools you'd expect. Screwdrivers for band pins, spring bar tools, link removers, a wrench to open the case back, and the presser to seal it again. And crucially, it also comes with a detailed instruction manual in English. For beginners, this makes all the difference. You won't be stuck guessing how each part works. Everything is laid out step by step. Honestly, anyone who owns more than one watch. Maybe you're trying to resize your metal bracelet. Maybe your battery just died and you don't want to visit the jeweler. Or maybe you're a collector restoring vintage pieces. This kit has the flexibility and durability to handle a wide range of watch types and repair needs. Now, a quick note. While the pouch shows some batteries and watch straps for display purposes, those aren't included in the set. The kit is focused entirely on the tools. But what you do get is more than enough to tackle most repairs with professional-level results. To wrap up, the JOREST Watch Repair Kit Plus Watch Press Tool is smartly designed, intuitive, compact, and genuinely powerful. It transforms watch repair from something intimidating into something totally manageable. And for its price, it offers unbeatable value. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this. Until next time, happy tinkering!